I'm Dr. Sunaina Arora. I'm consultant pediatrician and neonatologist in Cloud9 Hospital, Sector 47, Gurgaon. So today, आज जिस हम टॉपिक की बात करना चाह रहे हैं वो है इन्फेंटाइल कोलिक. कोलिक that is the most common problem in the initial few days and जिस वजह से parents mostly concerned रहते हैं and this is the most common cause for which the parents visits a hospital in the initial few days. तो कोलिक क्या है? Colic is said it's a excessive crying in a healthy term baby. So हम colic कब कहते हैं? Colic is said when the crying episodes are there more than 3 hours per day, more than 3 days in a week and more than 3 weeks. So it starts by 3 weeks of age and mostly it stops by 3 months of age. It is very, very common in newborn babies. Incidence is around 10 to 40% and usually it presents in the late evenings and the nights. So how does it present? It presents like the baby is crying excessively, with face becomes red, they draw their legs up on the tummy becomes hard, and which usually causes great distress to the parents. But the good part is, although it is causing a great fuss in the parents' minds, it will not harm your baby's growth and development. It's a normal behavior pattern for the baby for the initial few weeks and months. So इसके कारण क्या है? कोलिक क्यों होता है? Most common cause is idiopathic, where no one knows the exact cause कि इसका exact cause क्या है. लेकिन कुछ थ्योरीज जो प्रपोज की गई हैं उसमें ये बताया गया है कि कोलिक की वजह कई बार इमेच्योर गट, मतलब टमी इमेच्योर है, इंटेस्टाइन्स इमेच्योर हैं, ब्रेन इमेच्योरिटी की वजह से हो सकता है. कई बार ऐसा बोलते हैं कि ये अर्ली फॉर्म ऑफ माइग्रेन की तरह भी हो सकता है. एंड फोर्थ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज समटाइम्स इट सेज कि इमेच्योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, बट ओवर स्टिमुलेशन ऑन द बेबी, नॉइज एंड साउंड का ओवर स्टिमुलेशन से भी ये हो सकता है. लेस कॉमन कॉजेज एंड ऑर्गेनिक कॉजेज आर लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस, काउ मिल्क प्रोटीन एलर्जी एंड गैस्ट्रोइसोफेजियल रिफ्लक्स. दीज आर द लेस कॉमन कॉजेज. सो अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो पेरेंट्स को क्या करना चाहिए? वॉट आर द सूदिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट द पेरेंट्स कैन अडॉप्ट? Number 1, the parents at that time can try rocking, taking a baby for a small short ride, can try small like warm bathing, infant massage, small soft music. All these soothing strategies can be tried for the baby. Also at that time the parents can try other strategies like the treatment which is advised by the pediatrician like simethicone drops, जैसे colic के drops हैं वो भी try कर सकते हैं. There are other proposed treatments like probiotics. Although probiotics are advisable, but there is no strong evidence for and against it, so it is not advisable at present. What are the red flag signs जिसमें हमें लगता है कि now parents should be concerned and they should visit the pediatrician when the baby is crying excessively? Along with that, if the baby is having fever or lethargy, poor feeding, baby is not sucking well, baby is passing blood in stools, baby is having persistent vomiting, all these are the red flag signs. So any of the signs are there, parents should visit the pediatrician. In the treatment strategy, we should say कि in some times, because the underlying causes are lactose intolerance and cow milk protein allergy also, in a very less population, the special formulas may also be needed. So if any red flag signs are there, parents should visit the pediatrician to find out if there is any organic cause underlying. So one more important thing, when the baby is crying excessively, baby's inconsolable crying is there, parents should take a small break, take support from the extended family, from the family support. It will help the baby and the parents both. Thank you.